right, good morning everyone. I'm in Moab today. Got my buddy Justin, JKU World, with me. We're about to head up Moab Rim right now. Justin is in his JKU on 37s. I'm in the Gladiator on 37s also. We're both running BFGoodrich KM3s, and we're going to try going up the Moab Rim. And the Gladiator, it's going to be an interesting ride. This thing is long. It's got a lot of overhang. I'm sure that the worst spot I'm concerned about is the Devil's Crack. I'm pretty sure that the bumper is going to hang up. We'll see what the breakover does for the rock sliders, everything under the center of the Gladiator. But it's going to be fun. I've got Justin here to help me. He's in front of me in case I get stuck and I need a tug. And I do have my Warn Zeon 10S winch that I just installed, so just in case I need a yank, I can hook up to him and yank my Gladiator out of trouble. But hopefully it's not too bad and we can just keep moving. But anyway, we're just starting on the trail right now, and I'm sure there will be more footage as we progress our way up the Moab Rim, so you'll see more in just a bit. Hey, you're hitting it now. Good line. Oh. Turn. There you go. Yep. Stop.
That's epic. Not bad. The sun's kind of bad, but...
Alright. You're really good. You may kind of just keep it at that angle, everything. I'm curious what your rear end seems. Your rear end seems like it's tracking pretty far right. So yeah, kind of go that way. There you go. Now turn. Yep, yep. Perfect. Alright, so the Devil's Crack was successful. We ended up scraping the rear hitch pretty good. My line was a little bit off. I had to back off, and the rear receiver hitch had dug into the rock pretty hard. And once we got the right line, we cruised right up it with no problem. I did have the rear locker engaged. Rock slider, that's what they're there for, right? Had the rear locker engaged, and that helped. I didn't worry about locking the front. I just wanted to see how it would do open in the front, and it was no issue. So we're working our way up to the Z-turn, which again, not expecting any issues, but it should be a good time. So Gladiator's doing great. The additional wheelbase is good, and it's bad, of course. This thing's kind of long and low, so low center of gravity is great, but the breakover angle and the departure angle aren't great. So some things work well in some places, and other places they don't. But it doesn't matter. Having fun in Moab wheeling, so it's all good. Try it again, back off about a foot. Get it rolling and just kind of lay into the throttle, you know, roll through it. There you go. All right, we are on the Z-turn. It's Gladiator's turn to hit it. And these ledges are bigger than I remember them being. So with the lowrider Gladiator, it might be interesting. I did just install an Artec front bumper. It's kind of a stubby front bumper, and it has my winch mount, but that should help with approach angle on some of these big vertical ledges.